Hello everyone, welcome to another exercise. We are going or dealing with the 60 exercises from CL Hanon. And today's exercise is talking about your second, third, and fourth finger on both hands. Please, I implore you to play the first two exercises very well. Very well. Practice without interruption at all before we come to this exercise, because this exercise we no longer talk about your fifth finger, especially on your second, third, and fourth. And those of you practicing, please take a speed you can manage. Please don't practice a speed you cannot manage. Now we are starting with the metronome mark 60. Then I increase to 80, but please take your metronome mark slowly, alright? Continue like that till you reach your 108. Please practice slowly. Practice slowly. Thank you very much for listening to this video. Like I said, please, if you have not practiced the first two exercises, do not attempt this. Thank you. We meet again.